Good morning, boys and girls. Welcome to another class. Today we are doing our Reading Future 2 books and we are on Unit 14. Now, Unit 14 today is about microwave popcorn. Okay? Microwave popcorn. So, I want to start this lesson off by just asking you about the times that we eat popcorn, right? So, put this down here. So, let's talk quickly about some popcorn. I'm sure all of you guys are thinking, popcorn, we eat it in the movie theater. Right? So, we will eat some popcorn in a movie theater. And normally we have popcorn with some soda. Alright? And we're doing this when we watch movies. Okay. Now, our lesson today is going to be about how to make popcorn in a microwave. Okay? So, let's just have a look at some more things about popcorn. What things can you add to your popcorn? What can you add to your popcorn? For example, I like popcorn with butter on it. Alright? Anything else that you could add? Alright? I hope some of you were thinking about salt. Maybe even some sugar. Alright, so butter, salt, sugar, these are different things that we can add to our popcorn. Okay? Also, popcorn comes from corn. Okay? So you can make popcorn if you have a little bit of corn and then you add some heat. Okay, so you heat it up and then the kernels will pop into popcorn. Okay, so that's what we're talking about today. Let's go ahead, let's move on and let's quickly let's have a look at the vocabulary words. Okay, we'll get started with the vocabulary words. Alright, so there are 6 vocabulary words today. First one over here, can you just put up the notepad, please? Alright, first one over here, everybody, is, I forgot, sorry. The first word is sound. Okay, sound. Then we have the word plain. Plain. And oil and fold. Next one is by yourself. And finally, the last word, I will just write it over here, is microwave. Okay, so let's practice the sound. So sound. Alright, can you say it at home? Sound. Next one, plain. Alright, next one is oil. Okay, oil. Then we have fold. Alright, can you say it? Fold. Then we have by yourself. And last one, microwave. Alright, now we're going to look at what these words mean. Okay, what do they mean? So, sound. This is what you hear. of course. So you need your ears to hear the sound, okay? One thing that you could do at home right now is to just be really quiet for 5 seconds and then listen and try to think of all of the sounds that you can hear, even if it's just the clock ticking, okay? The clock ticking, or your watch, or even just the TV or the birds. So I will give you 5 seconds. Listen to all of the sounds that you can hear. All right, go. All right, so I hope you guys wrote down some things. All that I can hear is the air conditioner. Alright, in this classroom, all I hear is the air conditioner. It's the only sound I hear. Alright, let's move on to the next one. This word is plain. Okay, so this means no flavor. No flavor. Alright, so earlier we were saying popcorn with butter, salt, sugar. But this one means no flavor. So no butter, no salt, nothing. Alright? It's just plain, no flavor. So yeah, it's like I would say, like I always say that, like water has no flavor, right? It tastes like nothing. Alright? Okay. Next one over here is oil. Alright, oil, this is, it is a liquid, so it is like water, okay, and oil is very, very light, and we use it to cook. So those of you that like to cook and fry food in a pan, you guys can of course use oil for your meats and your chicken and anything, even your popcorn. You would need a little bit of oil, okay? Then we have fold. The word fold means to bend paper. To bend paper. So I have one piece of paper over here, okay, and I want to fold my paper, so I bend it, and now it is in the half. I fold it in half, okay, and I fold it in another half and another half. So this is basically folding papers, and when you are finished with folding, you will see some lines in your papers. I'm not sure if you guys can see the lines. Alright, so that's what it is. So we can to bend paper, so you can fold paper. You can also fold your clothes. After you wash it, you need to fold your clothes. So fold clothes. Okay, then it says by yourself. This means on your own. Okay, you are alone, or you do it alone. Okay, think of some of the things that you do alone, all right, or things that you do by yourself. For example, every day I need to cook by myself. So something I do by myself is cook. All right. Another thing that I do by myself is wash or shower. All right, and let me think another thing. Another thing that I do is I don't know. I can't think of anything. So cook or wash and shower by myself. Okay. Last one over here, everybody, is microwave. Okay, so this is a machine, and this machine warms your food. Alright, so of course you can put many things in the microwave. Right, you can put your sandwich in there. sandwich. You can put your dinner in the microwave. And we also have something called microwave food. Alright, so microwave food, basically you could say it's cold food, and you need to warm it up. Okay, warm it up. So microwave food, cold food, you need to warm it up. Warm it up. All right. I think that one thing over here that you guys also should know about microwaves is do not put. So where should I write it over here? So I think I write on top. Do not. So do not put foil or metal in the microwave. Okay, that's very, very bad for the microwave. All right, if you're not sure, just check it out, and then they will tell you why you cannot use foil in the microwave. Very important, foil and metal. Okay. All right, guys, those are the vocabulary words that you guys need to know for this unit. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to give you a chance to quickly answer the questions in your book. So let me just erase this, and while you wait, you guys can answer the questions in your book. Alright, please do this part over here, everybody. Alright, so please draw a line to each one and use the words that I wrote down, okay? To choose the right side. Alright, while you guys are waiting, while you guys are doing this, we are going to go to the next page and we're going to practice reading. So can we please go to the next page? Alright, I'm going to start reading with you guys in about 10 seconds. If you did not finish this yet, I would like you to please pause the video, write your answers, and when you are ready, you can go to this page over here. Alright, so let me just ask, can we just zoom in a little bit over here, please? Good job, thank you. All right, everybody, let's get started. I will read first, and I want you to please read after me. Okay, so let's get started. Here is what you need to make microwave popcorn by yourself. All right, let's read together. Here is what you need to make microwave popcorn by yourself. You need a paper bag. Let's go together. You need a paper bag. It does not need to be a special bag. All right, say it again. It does not need to be a special bag. A plain brown paper bag is fine. Okay, let's try it again. A plain brown paper bag is fine. Then you need popcorn kernels. Okay, let's read again. Then you need popcorn kernels. Popcorn kernels are pieces of dried corn. Right? Say it again. So, popcorn kernels are pieces of dried corn. Put the kernels in the bag with a little oil and salt. Right? Let's say it together. Put the kernels in the bag with a little oil and salt. Right? Can we just move down, please? Okay. Fold the top of the bag a few times. Okay. Fold the top of the bag a few times. Then put the bag in the microwave for 2 minutes. Right? Then put the bag in the microwave for 2 minutes. You will hear the kernels start to pop. You will hear the kernels start to pop. When the popping sounds stop, the popcorn is ready. When the popping sound stop, the popcorn is ready. The next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. The next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. Alright. And then over here, it is easy and you can save money this way. So say, it is easy and you can save money this way. Okay? So over here, that is our story about microwave popcorn. Okay? Now, what we're going to do now is I'm going to look at the story one more time and I'm going to highlight or write down the important sentences that you guys need to know and also understand. Okay? So let's see if we can do that. Can we just zoom out a little bit, please? Alright, so this is what we're going to do. I'll use a blue pen. Alright, so can we just zoom in a little bit more, please? Just a small little bit. Tiny bit, sorry. Okay, alright, so let's look at any important sentences you might need to know. So here is what you need to make microwave popcorn by yourself. So they are saying that this is how you can make microwave popcorn and you can do it by yourself. So alone, okay? You don't need other people to help you. You don't need to go to the store to buy the popcorn, okay? You need a paper bag. It does not need to be a special bag. All right, so it's not a special bag, okay? It's not a special bag. A plain brown paper bag is fine. So I told you guys earlier, plain means no flavor, all right? So nothing is added to it. So when they say a plain brown bag, they mean a normal plain brown paper bag. All right, let's continue. Then you need popcorn kernels, and then they explain to us popcorn kernels are pieces of dried corn. So you guys would know corn, the yellow ones over there. And let me see if we have a picture of it in our books. Doesn't seem, but it's the small yellow, sometimes brown corn, and it's very, very hard, okay? And when you heat it up, they pop, and they pop into these kinds of popcorn, okay? So you add a little heat and then it pops and it makes this. Alright, so it says put the kernels in the bag with a little oil and salt. So you make it in a pot or in a pan, and you add some oil and a little bit of salt, and then you start to heat it up, right? That's what you'll need to do. So you need a little oil and you also need some salt for the flavor so it can taste good. The next thing you need to do is to fold the top of the bag a few times. So we were talking, I showed you guys how I fold the paper, right? I showed you I fold the paper like that into halves, and now it's small. What they are saying is that if you have a bag over here, if this is my bag, very, very small bag, I fold the top of the bag. Again, I fold it again, and now whatever is in my bag cannot fall out, okay, because I folded it, I closed it like this. If I want to use it again, I just open it up, okay. So that's what they're saying, you got to fold the top of the bag a few times so it's closed. Then you need to put the bag in the microwave for 2 minutes, okay? We need to do that for 2 minutes. So in the picture over here, you guys can see this is a microwave machine, okay? And this can heat it. So put the bag into the microwave with the kernels inside, okay? Can we just scroll down, please? Alright. Then it says, you will hear the kernels start to pop. So you can hear it go pop, 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 pop. Okay? So it'll make a popping sound. Like imagine when you open your bottle, right? Your water bottle. And you just open it up quickly, it makes a pop sound. Alright? So that's what you'll hear the kernel poof, explode into these white pieces. Alright. When the popping sounds stop, the popcorn is ready. Okay? So normally what will happen is that it will, when it gets a certain heat, you'll hear a lot of popping. Pop, 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 pop. And then the popping will slow down. It'll get slower and it'll start to pop like pop and then pop and then pop up and then like maybe every 2 or 3 seconds it starts to pop and it stops, maybe 5 seconds, no pops, then you know that it is ready. Alright? But you need to be careful, because if you leave it in the microwave too long, it can burn. Okay? So it can burn and then it turns black and it's horrible. You don't like to eat it that way. Alright, so when the sound stops, the popcorn is ready. The next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. So they're saying try this way of doing it. And it is to make popcorn. It is easy and you can save money this way. So you save money because you don't need to go to the movie theater. You don't need to go to the store to buy an expensive bag of popcorn when you can just make the popcorn at home using this way. Put it in the brown bag, fold it, put it in the microwave for 2 minutes, and then you are ready and you have some delicious popcorn for your movies. Alright, so that's our story over there, guys, about microwave popcorn. I hope that you guys will try to do it by yourself. Alright, or maybe ask mom or dad first and then see if you can do it by yourself. Alright, so over here, we've done all the reading, you've answered these questions. What I want us to do is to do first vocabulary skills, and then second, I want you to do the reading skills. So let's have a look at the first one over here. It says, Oh, let me remind you guys, if you have not done this part yet, please pause, okay? And then you can answer these questions in your books. And when you're finished, you can press play, and then I'm going to help you to find the answers now in 5. Alright, let's have a look over here. So first one, vocabulary skills. Question number 1. What does it refer to in the reading? So what is it? Alright, I need to find the word it. I'm so bad at this. Ah, there we go. Thank you. Alright, so it says you need a paper bag. It does not need to be a special bag. Okay, so your paper bag does not need to be special. So it, let's go to the answer again. Can we go to the answers, please? So it is the paper bag, right? It doesn't need to be special. Number 2, what does this refer to in the reading? Alright, so this, it says the next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. What is this? So let me see. Let's see if they give us a better answer. So this is what we're looking for. I have to read the other sentences before I can know exactly what this is. So actually it goes, so what they are saying is all of these steps over here, okay? So all of the steps to making the popcorn. So put the kernels in the bag, fold the bag, put the bag in the microwave, here the kernels, and then they will stop making a popping sound, and then the popcorn is ready. The next time you want to eat popcorn, try this. Yeah, so try this way of making popcorn. So your answer over here for number 2 is going to be buying popcorn, making a paper bag, or making popcorn at home. Alright, so try this way of making popcorn at home. Alright, so let's just do that again. So yeah, first answer B, second answer C. Hope you guys got it right, okay? Let's move on to number 2. Section 2 over here is reading skills. Now remember class, I always ask you please only underline one sentence, okay? Only one sentence for each answer. You cannot just underline the entire reading. Alright, that's not good enough. Alright, so let's have a look at the first one. How will you know that the popcorn is ready? How will you know the popcorn is ready? Underline the sentence in the passage. So how do I know it is ready? Key word over here for you guys is the word ready, okay? And of course, popcorn and ready. So I'm going to try to find it here. Nope. Popcorn is ready. Yeah, there we go. We have it. So let's see what it says. When the popping sound stop, the popcorn is ready. Alright, so for number 1 over here, we would use this sentence over here. So this would be number 1. When the popping sound stop, the popcorn is ready. Okay, number 2. What is good about making microwave popcorn? Okay, what is good about it? So we need to find a sentence where it tells us why this is a good way to do something. Alright, so I'm going to start over here. So the next time you want to eat popcorn at home, try this. So this way of doing it, it is easy and you can save money this way. So there are 2 things, easy and save money. Alright, so these 2 are the reasons why it's good to make microwave popcorn. So it is easy and you can save money this way. Alright, so over there those are the things that you guys need to know for these 2 pages. So 1 is finished, 2 is finished,